Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a meeting in the Line app. Just open the app, go to chat and then tap on this button right here with the plus icon. Then select meeting. Here is the link to your meeting. You can select when it should start, invite people and copy the link, and when you are ready you can start it. Click on create meeting and then you will have 2 meetings as well. You can easily edit them by clicking on the pencil next to them so that you can add the new name and click on save at the bottom of the page, or we can go back and click on start. That's basically it. I hope it helps.